Again, with the part 2 of the taking off quantities of roadworks or external works. We had done part 1, and the link to the part 1 kindly is on the description. Make sure you follow the part 1 because most details I had already explained them there. So we want to proceed to part 2. So under part 1, briefly we had done the excavation, that is site clearance, vegetable soil, and mass excavation. Now for part 2, I want us to look at these elements. We want us to look at the roadworks, that is marram filling, hardcore filling, and bitumen premix. Now this is our section. This is our section and plan that we are using for the external works. So this is our external work, and this is our section. Now where we are going to have our curbs and channel here and here, we are going to need, as you can see from the section BB here, we are going to need some filling, that is marram filling and hardcore filling, and then we are going to have some bitumen so that later we can come and lay our channels and our curb. Now we need to find the length, so we are going to do marram filling on this portion here where we have the curbs for the parking and for the driveway. Now our length and width still remains the same of what we had found. That is for the parking is 12 meters. And then the width is 75, and then we had created a query sheet and assumed this one to be 2 meters. So 75 minus 2 is 73, and then we had allowed 100 for the curb backing on both sides, on the length and on the width. So that gives us 12 meters 200. Sorry, 12,200 and 73,200. And then for the driveway, we add 75 plus 6, that is 81, and then also 100 for the backing and 100. And also we didn't have the width of the driveway, so we created a query and assumed 6 meters. So it's 6 meters, we project 100, that gives us 62. So those are the dimensions that we used, and they are the ones that we are going to use. So for the parking, that is 73,200, for the width is 12,200, for the driveway is 81,200, and the width is 6,200. And then we have the bell mount here. We have the bell mount here. So we need to find that area, that one there, and that one there. For this side we have a radius of 6, and this side we have a radius of 9. So the bell mount area is 3/14 r squared, and then our radii are 6 and 9 and 6 respectively. Our depth of marram filling is, we have two depths. We have this side is 500 and this side is 400. So we are going to take 400 and 500, and then we find the average. So that is 400 plus 500, that is 900, divided by 2, that gives us 450. So we are going to book that one in cubic meters. 73.20, 12.20, 0.45, and then for the driveway is 81.20, 6.20, 0.45, and then for the bell mount is 9.0 by 0.45 by 3/14 multiplied by 2 because there are two sides, and then the other one is 6.00 by 6.00 by 0.45 also by 3/14 by 2, and then you say quarry. Dust marram, blinding, laid and compacted in layers not exceeding 100 millimeters thick. Now once we've laid our marram, on top of the marram we have hardcore 200 millimeters filling. So for hardcore we are going to do the same booking, but now the difference is that we are booking it in square meters. So it's going to be in square meters. So we say the same as the one that we had for marram, but the difference is square meters. So that is 200 millimeters hardcore filling, laid, stone laid and compacted in 2 layers of 100 millimeters thick. So let's proceed. But the bitumen premix is on top of after we've done the marram and the hardcore, on top here we have 50 millimeters bitumen. Now The measurement is the same because where we had placed the marram and the hardcore is where we are placing our bitumen. So nothing changes. So the same measurement, 73.20, 12.20 for the, that is for the parking. For the driveway, 81.20, 6.0, and then for the bell mount, 9.0 by 9.0 by, we multiply by 3 over 14 by 2, and then the other one is 6.00 by 6.00 multiply by 3 over 14, and also we multiply by 2. And then we say 50 millimeters thick bitumen premix. So guys, that is how we do it. On our next video, we shall look at the curves and the channel as we proceed downwards until the end. Until next time, bye bye and thank you for your time. Kindly subscribe, share, and don't